blink of an eye, the world we knew is vanishing. Silicon Valley is no longer just about apps and likes, it's about a silent revolution. Meta has just laid off 8,000 employees. The reason? Not a failing business, but a rising intelligence. Mark Zuckerberg's Meta is pivoting. 8,000 human lives replaced by lines of code. Billions of dollars are being diverted from human payrolls into massive AI models. Meta isn't just cutting costs. They are building a future where the machine is the master. But at what cost? It's not just about jobs, it's about control. As American AI models become more powerful, a new fear haunts Washington: security. If these models fall into the wrong hands, they could become the most dangerous weapons ever created. The race for AI supremacy has turned into a digital Cold War. We are at a crossroads. While AI promises to solve the world's greatest mysteries, it is also creating a world of uncertainty. Is your job safe? Is your data secure? Or are we building a god that we can no longer control? The tech world is shifting. The question is, are you ready for what comes next? Like, share, and subscribe to Freedom Frame for more deep dives into the future. Let us know in the comments, is AI a blessing or a curse?